DocSync charge capture on the dashboard is available to providers who would prefer to use a desktop or a laptop computer to capture their charges rather than a mobile device. All the functionality is available to them the same as it is on the mobile. When we sign in on My Patient List, they're displayed the list of their patients. It displays which patients have been billed today and which are still outstanding for patient charges. We see the total number of charges today, the charges for the week, and the charges for the month. And then we select our patient to enter our charge. We're going to go to Thomas Johnson. We select the dollar icon from the action menu to open the charge capture screen. We go ahead and are presented with the diagnoses that have been building from frequency of use. So we're going to go ahead and add our two diagnoses. If we wanted to search, we would type into the search window and select those. We add our CPT code. We're going to go ahead and do a hospital admission for this patient for level 2. We're going to say we're the admitting provider so that we can let that billing office know to bill it appropriately. And we can see that all the summary here of everything that we've selected is displayed here on the right-hand pane. And then we can add a note if necessary. We have the current date of service, and then we submit our charge. Going back to the dashboard, we get a confirmation message saying that this has been charged successfully. When we select OK, it changes from no, it has not been billed to billed today, yes. In the situation where we're rounding on a patient who has been previously admitted, such as Diane Lane, we go in again to charge capture. We have the two diagnoses that were previously selected for her displayed to us, presented to us. So all we have to do is review them and preview those for accuracy. We click in and we see that there has been a previous moderate follow-up hospital care charge submitted on there in the previous day. If that looks all correct, all we have to do is close that out. Maybe we're going to be the consulting provider on this case. And we can go ahead and submit that charge, and that's how easy it is to submit a charge on rounding on a patient. Now, if we need to edit a charge that we've just previously submitted, we go back to our patient, Thomas Johnson. We click back into the charge capture screen and select history. It is going to show us the dates of service that we are able to edit or delete. So we have two options here. We can either delete this charge if we've posted on the wrong patient, or we can edit this patient charge. If we want to add an additional diagnosis, we can do so. Or we can go ahead and click into our CPT code and we can say that this patient now really was a level 3 hospital admission because he got more complicated as the day went on. And then we're just going to submit that charge. Charges have been saved okay, and we still have the current status.